Hi everyone, my name is Ivan Gavryliuk and welcome to my course Building an Application with Azure Service Fabric Mesh. I'm a software and data architect and cloud computing professional consulting for big clients as my day job. Containers, Docker and microservices are popular trends today. However, in order to successfully deploy them to production, you need a container orchestrator system. In this course, we are going to look at a new technology from Microsoft, Service Fabric Mesh, which is an alternative container orchestrator that brings microservice development to a new level. Some of the major topics that we will cover include Mesh programming models. Mesh programming model is beautiful. It stands out from other orchestrators in a way that it's solving both infrastructure and software problems. We'll also compare it to other microservice technologies. Storing state. Although the problem of storing state is solved many times, Service Fabric Mesh brings it to a new level and makes it more natural. Scaling. You just can't go to production without scaling your services. Scaling is hard, but not with Service Fabric Mesh, being it horizontal or vertical, manual or automatic scaling. Networking and routing. Networking has always been a challenge and involved installing and managing complex third-party systems. Service Fabric Mesh has built-in support for networking and routing, which understands both TCP and HTTP protocols. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of Service Fabric Mesh and be ready to kick off your new project using this new emerging technology. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Microsoft Azure on a basic level and have some knowledge of C# programming language. Knowledge of Docker is highly desirable but not required. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Service Fabric Mesh with Building an Application with Azure Service Mesh course at Pluralsight.